Join us for a sneak peek at our Thai cultural tips in our language lesson at New Stamford School, an accredited language school recognized by the Ministry of Education. Do you know the significance of the Thai National Anthem? Immerse yourself in Thai culture and language by subscribing to our channel to learn more. In Thailand, the playing of the national anthem holds deep meaning and importance. In this sneak peek, we'll unveil the traditions and customs associated with the Thai National Anthem. Did you know that the Thai National Anthem is played publicly twice a day? At 8 hours and 18 hours, the anthem resonates across all television and radio stations, as well as in public places such as schools, train stations, shopping malls, and markets. It is a moment when everyone in the vicinity pauses, shows respect, and stands still to listen attentively. As the anthem concludes, a slight bow is performed as a gesture of gratitude and respect. This practice signifies unity, patriotism, and the deep love that Thai people have for their country. Join us for our language lessons to delve deeper into Thai culture and language.